Troy. Chapter 1. This child must die. Everything begins when Priam is the king of Troy, and Hecuba is his queen. At first, things go well for them. They have a daughter, Cassandra, and later a son, Hector. Then, after some more years, they have a second son. His name is Paris. But when this child arrives, Hecuba is not happy.
What's wrong?
Priam asks.
I'm afraid.
Hecuba answers.
I see Troy in flames years from now, because Paris brings disaster to us.
Priam takes away his young son fast. He speaks quietly to one of his men, Agelaus.
Take this child into the mountains. He must die there.
So Agelaus takes Paris to Mount Ida. But he cannot kill the young boy there.
You can live here with me and help with the sheep when you're older,
Agelaus says. He gives the child to one of the women in his country house. Then he goes back to Troy. He gives a dead dog's heart to Priam and says,
My king, your son is dead. Here's his heart.
Good work, Agelaus.
Priam smiles.